How to split cells in Google Sheets. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. If you want to have some data like you see over here, and you want to take that data and split those numbers into separate cells, this is how you go about it. Now, you can have data with a full stop, a comma, a colon or semicolon, and then also a space, and you can actually split all of these exactly the same way. So we're going to start off with the full stop. Right at the top on your toolbar, we're going to go ahead and we're going to tap on the data button, and we're going to go down and look for split text to columns, and it is pretty self-explanatory from here. There is a separator button that comes up, and over here you can see that it says detect automatically, comma, semicolon, full stop, and space. Of course, we know that this is a full stop. We're going to tap on that, and there it goes. We're going to go ahead again for the next one, and we're going to tap on data, and we're going to tap on split text to columns, and of course we can see again it has now automatically detected that. And as you can see over here, we can do the exact same with the rest of the data over here. And there you go. You will now be able to split cells in Google Sheets. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can drop us a like. We will see you next time. Cheers for now.